Hey there, listeners. Welcome back to our tech podcast. I'm Mark, your technical expert, and alongside me is Jenny, your audience advocate. Today we're diving into a new and significant development in the world of social media regulations. Are you ready?
Absolutely, Mark. I've been hearing a lot about a new law in Tennessee that's coming into effect at the start of the year. It sounds like something big. What can you tell us about it?
All right, Jenny. Starting January 1st, 2025, Tennessee will require all minors under 18 to obtain parental permission before creating a social media account. This law, known as the Protecting Minors from Social Media Act, is aimed at protecting children from the negative impacts of social media, such as low self-esteem and exposure to harmful content.
Wow, that sounds really important. How will social media companies enforce this? Will they have to implement some kind of age verification process?
Exactly, Jenny. Social media companies will have to verify the age of users and ensure parental consent for minors. This involves developing and implementing effective age verification methods to confirm a user's age accurately.
And what kind of verification methods do you think they'll use? Will it be something simple like uploading an ID, or will they use more advanced technology?
Well, Jenny, it could be a combination of methods. Simple ID uploads are one option, but we're also likely to see more sophisticated systems, possibly incorporating biometric data or AI tools to enhance accuracy. However, the effectiveness of these methods is crucial to preventing minors from creating fake accounts.
That makes sense. But how will this law impact social media companies? Will they have to invest a lot of money to comply?
Yes, Jenny. The law will require significant investments from tech companies to develop and implement age verification processes and parental consent features. This could disrupt their business models and, in some cases, lead to higher costs. But the potential legal consequences for non-compliance could be even more severe.
I see. What about the tools that parents will have? The law mentions that social media platforms need to provide supervisory tools. What kind of tools are we talking about?
Great question, Jenny. The law mandates that platforms provide parents with tools to supervise their children's accounts, such as the ability to set time limits, monitor activity logs, and receive notifications about their child's online behavior. These tools are designed to give parents more control and oversight.
That sounds really useful. It's definitely something I'd want as a parent. Have other states implemented similar laws?
Yes, Jenny. At least 3 states, including Tennessee and Florida, have implemented or are considering similar laws. This reflects a broader national concern about children's online safety and the need for better regulation.
It's great to see action being taken, but I bet there are some privacy concerns with all this verification and supervision. What do experts say about that?
You're right, Jenny. There is definitely a trade-off between privacy and safety. Senator Jack Johnson from Tennessee believes that parental consent and supervision tools are essential for protecting kids from harmful online activities. However, Representative Vincent Dixie argues that the law might not go far enough. The key is finding a balance between protecting minors and respecting individual liberties.
It's a tricky balance, isn't it? So what does the future hold for social media regulations? Do you think we'll see more laws like this in the future?
Very likely, Jenny. Growing awareness about the risks associated with unregulated social media usage among minors is leading to expanding legislative actions globally. Future laws could streamline or expand current regulations by integrating AI-driven verification methods or enhancing parental controls further.
That's fascinating. It's good to know that something is being done, even if it's not perfect yet. All right, Mark, what do you think are the key takeaways from today's episode?
The key takeaways are that starting January 1st, Tennessee will require parental consent for minors to create social media accounts, aiming to protect kids from harmful online content. Social media companies will need to implement robust age verification processes and provide parental supervision tools. This law reflects a broader trend of increased regulation to safeguard minors online, and more states may follow suit.
Thanks for all the insights, Mark. I think our listeners will find this information really helpful. Before we wrap up, do you have any final thoughts or a call to action?
Absolutely, Jenny. Stay informed about the evolving landscape of social media regulations and the tools available to protect your children online. If you're a parent or just interested in tech, keep an eye on how these laws develop and what impact they have on the platforms we use. Until next time, keep exploring and staying safe online.
Thanks, Mark. You too, listeners. Join us next week for more fascinating tech topics. Have a great day.